Hello friends, hi, this is Kiran back again, and today I am going to share with you about very important topic is that improve your walking pattern. So guys, this is the week 14 for me after the ACL surgery, and this video is going to be very special. In this video I am going to share with you 4 important exercises. These 4 exercises will help you, and I will explain how these 4 exercises will help you to improve your walking pattern, and how these 4 exercises, every single exercise is connected for your walking pattern. So guys, please watch this video very carefully, don't skip, otherwise you will not understand. If you miss the one step, it will be difficult to understand how to improve walking pattern. So I will show you that all that 4 exercises and how that connected with your walking pattern. So let's start with the exercise, and then I will show you how to improve your walking pattern. So let's start with the exercise. Okay friends, so the first exercise is your quadricep contraction. Okay, so you have to tighten your thigh muscles, and you have to hold your knee tight and hold it for the 10 seconds or for the 10 counts. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Okay, so you have to do the repetitions of this set. You have to do 3 sets. You can hold as much as you can, 10 seconds or 10 count or 20 counts. So do this exercise. Okay friends, do the same exercise with the help of towel as well. It will be more effective, because sometimes if your knee is there is a lot of gap in your knee, that time you are not able to push to the ground. Okay, in that case use the towel, just put it below your knee. Okay, just put it below your knee and press it and hold the same. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, same exercise. Okay friends, so the next exercise is a standing VMO. Okay, so you can do this with TheraBand, but actually I don't have the TheraBand, so I'm showing you with the towel. Okay, so just imagine this is my TheraBand. Okay, so how you can do the standing VMO is that like this, and you have to hold like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay guys, I don't have the TheraBand, so I'm not able to show you with the TheraBand, but you can do this exercise with TheraBand and it will be the more effective. I'll show you one more time closely. Okay, you have to touch your toe, and you have to do this like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, same you can do that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This part should be the straight, and pressure should come on your knee side. Okay, so it should be the straight like this. So this is second exercise, guys. This is second exercise, guys. You can do this with TheraBand, so it will be the more effective. It will be the more effective if you do this with the TheraBand. So this is what the second exercise. Okay friends, so the third exercise is that. Okay friends, so the third exercise is that standing on your operated knee. Okay, in my case this is my operated knee, which is left knee, and this is my normal knee. So the third exercise is standing on your operated knee. Okay, and keep the balance. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, your knee should be straight. Okay, and like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is a third exercise, that stand on your operated knee and do the balance. Okay friends, so this is the third exercise, that you have to balance on your operated knee. If you are balancing on your operated knee, that means you are able to improve your walking patterns to the normal. Okay, once you are able to put all the weight on your operated knee, then it is very easy for you guys to improve your walking pattern to become the normal. Okay, so this is how happens after the 1 month or after the 2 months completions. So it depends on the muscle powers and the recovery rate. So it's okay if you are putting all the weight on your body after the 2 months or 3 months. It's okay. There is no any issue. So this is the third exercise, guys, and the fourth and the last. And after that, I will show you how these 4 exercises are connected with your walking pattern. So let me show you the fourth exercise. Okay, so the fourth exercise is again very simple. It's a hamstring curl. Okay, so you have to just do this position, and hamstring curl is like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done. Okay, friends, so we have just seen that there are the 4 exercises, that quadricep contractions. Second is your standing VMO with TheraBand, and the third is stand on your operated knee. Okay, balance on your operated knee, and fourth is hamstring curls. Now let's start with how you can improve the walking pattern with these 4 exercises, how this connected with each others for you improve your walking pattern. So let's start with the exercise. Okay, let's start with the walking pattern. So the first step is that, okay, so first step in the walking improve is that touch your toe first. Okay, touch your heel, this is the step 1. Touch your heel, okay, and once you touch your knee, okay, once you touch your heel, okay, tight your knee, okay, once you touch your heel, tight your knee with the gravity, tight your knee. Okay, this is the first step. Second is second step is touch it like this. Okay, touch your toe and heel, and then straight tight your knee, tight your knee, and do the standing VMO exercise. That the second exercise will help you here. Okay, tight like this. This is your second. This is your second step. Tight as much as you can. Okay, third step is that this. Okay, so you are putting all the balance on your operated knee. Okay, and step out. Okay, step out with your normal knee. And fourth is that heel rise and normal like this. Okay, so let me do all that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it, guys? One more time. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, let me do for you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, friends, let's see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do slowly, then a little, and then you can do this fast. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I can do this fast. Okay, once you do the practice. Okay, once you come up with the practice, then you can do this fast. Okay. Okay, friends, so I hope I explained it very well. Due to the camera adjustments, I'm not able to explain it properly, but I hope you understand all how that 4 exercises interconnected with each other for improve your walking pattern. So I hope this clear your idea, and you just do this exercise. Okay, now I'm going to tell you, this can be difficult. Okay, this can be confusing for you. Okay, so what you can do that first focus on the first 2 steps. One is touch your heel first, and then do your knee straightening. Okay, so you first focus on the 2 steps. Once you perfect in the first 2 steps, then go for the third and fourth step. The third step is very easy, natural, that step out your normal knee. So third step is very easy, and with the fourth steps, again, if you have the swelling or if you have the stiffness, then fourth step will come. It may take time to improve your fourth steps. Even if you can see that I have still a bit of I will show you. I have still some stiffness in my operated knee. Okay, some stiffness, some swelling, you can say. So it will create some difficulty for me to come up with that again. So it creates a problem for me as well, a little bit difficulties for the fourth step. So fourth step may take time to improve your fourth step. So because of that, there is a bit of popping happening while walking. So initially just focus on the first 2 steps, and day by day when you do the exercise, it will improve. Again, very important thing is that do this walking exercise every 15 minutes after completion of your exercise. Okay, it is very important. After complete your knee exercise, do this walking pattern. Okay, do this walking exercise. So this is the trick number 1 to help you improve walking patterns. Do this after your exercise, okay, for the 15 minutes. And initially you will be the confusion, you will feel the confusion, so don't make the confusions. Do it slowly, and day by day you will understand the things, and it will be the very easy to understand. Okay, once you do the practice, it will come very easy and very naturally for you. So first step. Second is that don't drag your leg. Okay, don't do that mistake. Some of my friends who observe my knee, and they tell me, so thank you so much for that. Some of tell me that improve walking pattern. So guys, don't do this mistake. Okay, like this. Don't drag your knee like this. Don't drag your knee like this. Okay, it should be the natural. Okay, like this. It should be the natural. It should be the natural. Okay, it should be the natural. Okay, so guys, don't drag your leg, don't drag your operated leg. That would be the bad habit. Okay, initially for the first 2 weeks we are doing this because of the lot of pain in our knee, or there is muscle loss in the first surgery. So first 2 weeks or 3 weeks we are doing this, and it makes habit. So it will be very difficult to get out of that habit. So please make sure don't drag your leg. Okay. Now the third thing is that very important is that just do comparison with your normal knee. Okay, आपका जो normal knee है वो कैसे behave कर रहा है walking करते समय. If you compare with your normal knee, it will be very easy for you to understand your walking pattern. So just compare with your normal knee, and it will be very easy for you guys. Okay. So this is what guys I want to share with you about walking patterns. Hope this techniques, this exercise will help you to improve. Okay friends, so I hope this technique, this exercise will help you to improve your walking patterns. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, if you have any questions, please comment me in the comment box, and I will be the more than happy to help you or guide you on this. Okay, so this is what the exercise I find to improve walking patterns. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please give me the like and comments, and if you not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and this will really help me, this will really motivate me. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Take care, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.